Welcome to my channel 5 Men Garden Pro, where I share amazing garden decor ideas using old furniture and things that you might have lying around your home. And this video, I will be sharing you some unique and creative ways to transform your garden into a beautiful outdoor space. So let's get started. First of all, we will discuss about salvaged materials. You might be surprised at how many things you can repurpose for your garden decor. For example, old leathers can be used as a trellis for climbing plants, or an old bicycle can be turned into a unique plant holder. The possibilities are endless and you can get as creative as you want. Vertical gardens. Now let's talk about vertical gardens. If you have limited space in your garden, vertical gardens are a great way to add greenery and create a focal point. You can use old plates, wooden crates, or even old gutters to create a vertical garden. Plant some herbs, succulents, or flowers and watch them grow in a beautiful arrangement. Vintage decor. Next, let's add some vintage charm to your garden. Look for old items like lanterns, watering cans, and bird cages that can be repurposed as garden decor. You could even create a vintage themed garden with old fashioned wheelbarrow or a rustic wagon. DIY garden art. Let's add some DIY garden art to your outdoor space. With a little bit of imagination, you can create stunning pieces of art using old materials. For example, you could make a mosaic using broken tiles or create a garden sculpture using old metal object. Garden pathways. Lastly, talk about garden pathways. Adding a pathway to your garden not only makes it easier to navigate, but it also adds a touch of charm and beauty. You can use old bricks, stones, or even wood slices to create a unique pathway. You could even use old plates to create wooden pathways. Just let your imagination run wild. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family who are also interested in gardening.